In this video, I'm going to teach you a top-down analysis on GBP USD.
So fucking toxic, alright? See what you've done. I don't know who you are. I don't know where you are. But you may want to start changing your ways. Or changing your name.
I keep on stepping and stepping and stepping. I'm stepping too hard, I'm paving the way.
Gotta make sure they feeling this shit, my nigga. We're grinding so hard, we spend every day.
Good guys, this is your boy OGYP, all the way from OG Traders. Today I'm going to teach you a top-down analysis strategy from H4 time frame down to 30 minutes time frame. So all we're gonna do is analyze, draw trend lines on H4, go lower, go down to H1, draw trend lines also, and 30 minutes to execute. So if you are new, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified once I upload. But if you are not new, welcome back bro, welcome back sis. Thank you for your support. So without any further ado, let's get into it guys. So before we do anything, we have to highlight the highest point and the lowest point of the market. So we're gonna highlight the lowest point and also the highest the market has recently printed, which is that one right there. So after, we have to draw the trend line. So this strategy is like a trend inside a trend, and we have to be very careful about it. Like, we have to consider the touches. You can see it's a touch there. We have a minimum of 3 touches, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. You see we have at least a minimum of 3 touches, and in this case we have 4 touches. So a trend line to be valid, we need a minimum of 3 touches. So let's see if we can find 3 touches right here. Yes, and we do have a minimum of 3 touches, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what we're gonna do on H4. So we're gonna jump lower into H1, and this is what we have on H1. We now know that we're expecting selling opportunities because the market has touched our resistance and we have not yet touched our support, so we cannot buy any further unless the market decides to, because we don't control the market. So now we have to draw another trend line. So we drew a trend line on, we drew a channel, a trend line on H4. Now we're drawing on H1. You can see we have a minimum of what? Let me adjust this one so you can see very well. We have a minimum of 3 touches. I cannot count them right now. I'll show you after drawing the diagonal resistance. This is what we have also right here. This is our trend line. I know it looks weird, but this is it. You cannot draw unless we do a major key, and a major key on its own is another topic, so we cannot jump. This is a major key. You see, I drew a trend line from a trend line. Also, you can call this one a major key because I connected a trend line from another trend line, but this trend line is from H4, so you get me. This is still a top-down analysis, don't worry guys. So after drawing another trend line, another channel, we have to see if the market broke out and retested. In this case it did, because you can see the market breaking out and retesting. Now we're expecting sales, but mind you, this is, let me go back to H4. This is an uptrend, so we cannot be, this is an uptrend, so it's not advisable for you to be selling on a uptrend. So instead, you're gonna wait for the market to come back. You're gonna wait for the market to come back here and then buy. So now it's a confirmation that the market is there and it's going down where I just highlighted. So let's go to 30 minutes. So on 30 minutes, you're gonna see we have a little downtrend. Let's highlight it so you can see what I'm talking about. Let me start from, it looks like it has broken out, because you can see when we try to adjust, it looks like it broken out. So since it broken out, we have to expect buying opportunities until the 90% rule is met, which in this case it's here. 90% rule is where the market has started a trend, so it has to go back right to it. So here we are. We're expecting buying opportunities to that point. Mind you, this is a 30 minutes time frame, so you're gonna make a lot of profits if you take this trade, but obviously it's a risk because we are hijacking the markets. We are not trading from the trading points that I would advise you to trade on, but obviously trading is risky. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching till the end if you have reached this point. So please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified once I upload.